So, if you're thinking about getting the SanDisk hard drive, then this is my honest opinion and review. I've had this for over 2 years, and in my opinion, this is my favorite hard drive by far. Favorite thing to take traveling, best overall, and as you can see, I've got the 2 TB one, and there's quite a lot of storage. So, there's a few things I love about this, a couple of things to bear in mind. So, the things I love about it is it has this built-in kind of attachment here where you can put it on like a key ring, you can put it on a chain, whatever you want to do. It's so lightweight. Like, this is probably one of the lightest hard drives that I've felt or held. It's also super high quality and resistant to, like, it's drop resistant, it's resistant to water. It's really, really cool. And it connects through USB-C here. And it comes with this cable. Now, this cable is it's a proper data cable. So it has these little lights that show whether it's reading or writing, and it's super, super high speed. So you can transfer hundreds of megabytes or, thousands of megabytes of data in just a few seconds. Now, compared to the speed of like your average USB-C cable, or if you're not used to like a data cable, this is so, so much faster, and which is really good, especially if you're working with big files like video files and things like that. Another thing I love about this is that it's so reliable. Like, I haven't had any issues with data corruption, with connection, with like you plug it in and it says it's not connected properly. I've not had any of those issues with this. And with other hard drives, I have. So one thing to bear in mind is that, the size, you need to basically figure out which size of hard drive you want before. So I just thought, well, I better go with a slightly bigger one, 2 TB, so that I always have enough space. I think you can even get bigger sizes. So just bear that in mind. Like, it's going to be the same physical size, regardless of which size storage, if that makes sense. So if you're going to have something like this size taking up space in your bag, in my opinion, you might as well get the bigger storage size because it's the same physical size. So you might as well have more bang for your buck, in my opinion. But yeah, so if you're looking for a super reliable, durable, large capacity storage drive, external hard drive, this is, in my opinion, highly recommended.